What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a terms of service or terms and conditions contact form into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, imagine the following scenario. You do offer a kind of service on your site that you need by legal questions or by liability or by something like this. That persons send you a form with their name, emails, and agreeing with the terms of services, okay? By agreeing this. How to do this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins. Click into the submenu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called search plugins, okay? Click into this field and type WP Forms. Click on install now. WP Forms, easy form builder for WordPress, contact forms, payment forms, surveys and more. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, a page where the plugin show their features, their startup guide, and they try to sell you the pro version. No need to worry, you can keep everything for free. Into WP Forms. Scroll down and click into this button right here, create your first form, okay? In the case that you are already using the WP Forms, just go to the create new form into WordPress dashboard. Right here you can give a form name, or there is this middle sidebar where you can search for, and right here we're gonna search for term. Just like this, term. And here is the result we got. We have the terms of service contact form. I'm gonna click on use template. You can view the demonstrative of this form, okay, into their website. And right here you can enter the I accept the terms of service. Here is the agreement. You need to type your terms of service right here. In the case that you don't know how to create terms of service, there is tutorials or on our YouTube channel that you can learn from. So just go to Visual Model terms of service, search for it, and can learn how to do. And let's use this form. So use template, we're gonna click into this button and the plugin gonna create the form for you. Right here you can customize the texts right here in the case that you want, okay? For example, name, email, contact or message. You can change the position by dragging and dropping the elements. And right here we have terms of service. And we have the description that show your terms of service. You need to delete this text, okay, and type your terms of service right here. You can copy and paste by the legal person, the legal office that helps you into your terms of service. Copy and paste it right here. It's very important that you enter your terms of service right here, because the person needs to accept these terms of service below to submit the form. After doing the change that you need into this form, you're gonna hit the save button into the upper right corner of your screen. After form saved, you're gonna click into embed button next to save. We can create a new page or select an existing page. I'm gonna create a new page. The page name is gonna be terms of service form, or can be agreement form, something like this, up to you. Click on let's go button. The plugin now gonna create for you a page and gonna embed the form into this page. You still can customize this page in the way that you want, using your blocks, using the contents that you want, okay? But I'm gonna just publish the page by using the upper right corner of your screen button. Now let's view page. And here is our terms of service agreement form. To submit the form, the person must select this. If you do not select the agreement, they can submit the form, okay? This is the logic of the form. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And of course, fully customizable and free. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!